So good evening, everybody. Wolf here again. I'm over here at Hancock Campground in Lincoln, New Hampshire, and we're getting into the winter time type trips again here, which means cooking indoors. So it's currently the middle of November, 30 degrees outside. I don't feel like staying outside, and it's actually been spitting snow all day too, which is nice but cold. So we're gonna make dinner indoors tonight. So I'm making something a little bit different, something that I'm trying to make for the first time. So I've never made this dinner before. It is a cheesy chicken and potato casserole, or skillet, or whatever you want to call it. If it works out great, then I will add it to the website as a recipe for you to try out, and if not, we'll keep working on it until it does come out great. So the ingredients needed for this dinner, and again, my meals are catered for a single serving, since I'm by myself here, so it's pretty easy to scale it up to whatever you need to make if you get more than one person you're trying to feed. But if you're by yourself like me, it's very hard to find recipes that are good for just a single person. Most recipes make it for a big group, so I try to make recipes that are good for a single person. Single nomadic traveler. Stuff you can make easily with just one pot, and you can do it in the back of a van if you need to, which is what I'm doing. Alright, so dinner tonight. Ingredients. Of course, a couple chicken strips, cooking spray, carrots in a cup, just 1 cup of these, a small russet potato, some shredded cheddar. I also have a bag of frozen diced onions and a bag of frozen diced peppers. Obviously, we're not going to need the whole bag. And we've got for seasoning paprika and minced garlic. So that's the ingredient list. And so let's get this show started, shall we? Okay, I'm going to start off by cutting up the potato. And I got the smallest russet potato I could find. I don't need a lot of food. So I'm just going to dice this up. All chopped up. Kind of setting it aside for now. Really need to cook the chicken first, but I wanted to chop the potatoes first instead because I didn't want to chop them on the cutting board after I've chopped the raw chicken on it. So that's why I did it in that order. And that's still even that small potato is still too big. So I don't think I'm going to end up using all that potato up. I'll have to find another use for some of it. And the furnace comes on again. Chicken's all diced up now. Put that on the pan here. I'll put a little cooking spray in there. Side. Got a minute to warm up. We'll start the chicken cooking in there. A little paprika on the chicken. We'll just give that a few minutes to cook up. Alright, so the chicken's part cooked. We're going to start adding the potatoes into the mix. Just trying to decide how many potatoes to put in. So, probably just about half of a russet potato, a small russet potato, is all this recipe really needs. So, I gotta figure out what to do with the rest of the potatoes. Okay, potatoes are in. Other side. This way. Like I said, I got the frozen peppers and the frozen onions. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of each of these. Probably going to be sufficient. Ooh, that's cold. go. Sure beats chopping them up, but man, these things are cold. That'd be a better way to do this, though. My fingers are going numb. Alright, good enough. There we go. Alright. Fingers for a moment. Alright. Yes. Alright, next we're going to add the carrots to it. You can always squirt. You need the water for anything later. There we go. So yeah, these things have about a quarter cup of water in them. Alright. It's in. Right. And we're also going to add some minced garlic to it too. Lots of minced garlic. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm going to add another little sprinkling of the paprika on it. And get some onto the veggies and stuff too. Try to do a light sprinkling, not dump stuff on. Add a little bit of this juice because it's kind of dry. Don't need a lot. And stir that up. And then I'm just going to let that simmer for a little bit. Probably 5 to 10 minutes in that range. Add a little bit more water to it too. There we go. Now it's looking good. It smells good. Okay, we're up to the last step of the process, and that's to add the shredded cheese. Smells good. Try it. Good cheese. Alright. The cheese you can get carried away and go for a full half a cup. This is going to be cheesy. That's the intent. Just cook until the cheese is melted. Oh, I got my work cut out cleaning this. Ew. A little water to that here. That soaked for a few minutes. Here's the finished dinner. So we'll see how that tastes in a moment. But first, we gotta do a root beer review. So today I've got Market District root beer flavored soda, as it's called, premium craft soda, made with cane sugar though. Let's see, ingredients. Where's the ingredient list? There it is. Ingredients: carbonated water, cane sugar, natural flavor, and citric acid. That's it. 4 ingredients. Now this actually came from a convenience store, a big convenience store. I don't remember the name of the store now, but bet if I Google Market District root beer, I'll probably find the answer. It's probably just a store brand one. Distributed by Giant Eagle Incorporated, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So there you go, Giant Eagle. So I was on my last drive out to Hamvention. So I've had this root beer for a little while, so hopefully the age of it isn't going to be a problem. But let's see how it is. Well, it's got fizz. That's good. Smells good. Well, like most root beers, no points for head. Well, it's an okay head on it, actually. It does have one. Just disappeared quickly. Good root beer color to it. Lots of fizz. Smells good. It's okay. Not the greatest root beer I've ever had. It's a little weak. Doesn't have a very robust flavor or anything to it, but it's not bad. I'd drink it again. So there. Market District root beer from Giant Eagle Incorporated. Decent root beer. Alright, so let's see how this came out now. Moment of truth here. Looks hot. Alright. This is good. Doesn't have quite, I don't know. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like there's some sleet or something coming down out there. Freezing rain, at least. Maybe I should increase the amount of pepper and onion I put in it, but otherwise, this is good. I think that's what it's missing. I don't think I put enough pepper and onion in it. But yeah, alright. I like this dinner. This needs some variations, I think, but it's not bad. I can get this up on the website, so by the time you see this video, this recipe should be up on the website. So the recipe is definitely up on the website. Anyway, that's it for tonight's quiet dinner in the van here. Come back in the next one where I do something that's either very stupid or very exceptional for my travels coming up in the next year. In the meantime, remember, slow down, enjoy life, and always be kind. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.